One of the common problems about car driving currently is the problem of tire leakage, which is caused by nails or fragments of sharp objects. But that will not be a big deal anymore with Instant Tire Repair Kit, the product from Honda Access. There are simple steps that can be followed and done by everybody on one's own. Just shake the can for about 5 seconds before using. Then open the air stopper of flat tire out and insert the hose pipe of the product into that while tightening. Press the button to squirt liquid into the tire. It will disperse and repair the leaking point automatically while adding pressure to allow the tire to come out in a usable condition with visible effects immediately. Just by doing this, you can continue driving so as to bring the car to the closest car service center easily. Feel comfortable and unworried in all routes with the liquid to plug tire leaks. Instant Tire Repair Kit from Honda.